This is where we are dining tonight, the Queen Mary's dining room. Hey guys, welcome back to another part of our trip. In this video, we are checking out the hotel's restaurant. Let's head inside and see what they have got for dinner. So now I'm just walking around to explore what they have prepared for dinner. There's a really nice variety of dishes here. Everything looks fresh and delicious. Let's take a quick look at each section here. I started off at the salad section. Everything looked colorful and fresh. They also had some little shooters like mini starters in small glasses. Really cool presentation. These are the starters I picked. Starting with the beetroot shooter. Looks interesting, right? All right, let's try this out and see how they taste. I think these veggies might be freshly picked from around here since the hotel is located in the hill country. Everything feels super fresh and full of flavor. You can really taste that local touch here. Next up, I went for some soup along with the bit of bread and butter. A simple combo, but always comforting, especially in this cool hill country weather. The soup was amazing, warm and full of flavor. Now let's try the soft bun with a bit of butter. I actually try this same kind of bun at almost every hotel I visit, and yeah, I really like it. Now it's time for the main course. There were a lot of varieties on the buffet, but since we got there a bit late, some of the dishes had already finished. Still, I managed to grab a few things. Let me show you what's left on the counter. So here is what I got: a bit of seafood rice, a piece of naan roti, some fish, and a few meat items. Just wanted to taste a little bit of everything. It's always fun trying different flavors on one plate. The main meal items were all tasty in their own way. Each had a nice level of flavor. I tried everything I picked, and yeah, definitely worth it for money. And finally, we made it to the dessert area. There were so many options to choose from: jellies, cakes, puddings, ice cream, and more, and also fruits. Everything looked super tempting. I picked a few of them for my plate, just a small mix to try out. These are the ones I went with. Let's give them a taste. Most of these desserts are new to me, and I really liked a few of them. Sweet and satisfying. So that's it. I finished my dinner. here at the Queen Mary dining room. It was a great experience overall. I'll be back soon with another video, so stay tuned. If you enjoyed this one, don't forget to give it a like and hit that subscribe button. See you next time. Bye bye. Take care.